Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I have a little post-vacation Walmart grocery haul, so it's a little bit larger than it normally is for me. I'll start with the refrigerated stuff first so I can go ahead and get it put up. I got this box of individual boneless chicken breast, and I bought this big roast so that I can meal prep with it. I bought a rotisserie chicken to make some chicken salad or chicken wraps, just whatever I can find to do with it. They are very convenient. I bought these mini sweet peppers for the pepper, onion, and kielbasa with brown rice meal that I prep. Some shredded lettuce. I got the celery for my roast and for the chicken salad. Got a couple of bags of our favorite hash brown potatoes with onions and peppers. I love to cook these for breakfast sometimes, either by themselves or with some eggs. So I ended up spending $308. I had to have a lot of non-food items as well, so that's why it's a little more than what I usually spend. So I had to have dog and cat food. They both have sensitive stomachs, so we have to use Rachel Ray. I've tried other brands, but they just can't eat it. Had to have dishwasher tablets. I had to have some dryer sheets and some toilet paper. I picked up this Mr. Clean cleaning spray, and it smells so good. It is Gain scented, and I like it a lot actually. It's my first time buying it, but I will be repurchasing. Also, this Lysol multi-surface cleaner. I like to clean out the sinks with it and then use that water to clean off the counters and just make the kitchen smell really good. I had to have a new shower curtain because mine is cloth, and even though it is very nice and way too expensive, I got it from IKEA, it's been wet for too long and it is just starting to smell, and I'm throwing it away. So I just picked up this cheap plastic one for now, and then I may get a different one later. I had to have more toothpaste, and I picked up another charger for my watch and my phone because if you have kids, you know that these things disappear for no reason, grow feet and walk off. So I picked up an extra for each so I can stash these away in case mine ever come up missing. I don't have to go searching until I find mine. I also had to have shampoo and conditioner, and that is going to be all for the non-food items. I am on a weight loss journey right now. I've been doing a lot of meal prepping. I am part of a group on Facebook for the month, so a lot of stuff you're going to see is for meal prep. I bought this big box of chips for my boys. Easy to throw in my oldest son's lunchbox, as well as these different types of rice for meal prep. My oldest son is on this weight loss journey with me, so it makes it easy for me to throw these in his lunchbox. If I just have meat and vegetables prepped, he'll have something a little extra to keep him full. Also had to have oil. I love extra virgin olive oil, and I got a Pam extra virgin olive oil spray. And I got this onion mushroom soup mix for my roast. I usually use the regular Lipton onion soup, but I saw this one and I love mushrooms. And of course we had to have O's. And these Kodiak muffins are in the meal plan that we are following. So I'm going to be making the regular ones with blueberries, and then the other are chocolate. I haven't tried this brand, so I hope it's good. And for canned items, I had to have some beef broth for my roast, and then I just like to have green beans and corn for extra sides in case I need them with anything, or if I decide to make a soup, because we all know I will decide to make a soup. And I picked up my youngest son a pack of Gushers. That is his favorite snack. And then these 4-cheese Idaho and potato packs are another really easy side for me to throw in my oldest son's lunchbox. And then I had to have a bag of onions, and I picked up some more cuties. No explanation needed for the pickles if you're not new around here. and I had to have some salt. My kidney doctor told me that there's no difference in this salt and pink Himalayan salt that I've been eating as far as sodium goes. So I thought if I'm going to have salt, then I'm just going to have regular salt. And I got some Alfredo sauce. I usually use ragu, but they were out, so I picked this up. And I just pray that my youngest son doesn't notice a difference because he is very picky. And I like to have these Kraft macaroni and cheese boxes in the cabinet in case I ever need a quick side. And then as far as drinks go, I picked me up some Lipton's green tea. And then I got my oldest son the same kind, but I got him diet. And then I got this Arnold Palmer tea and lemonade that is also Lipton's. And then I picked up a 12-pack Sam's Cola. And that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.